Hello, my name is Jaime Flores, and today we'll be going over how tubulin is used in cell division, and we're gonna go over how oncovin, which as I googled it, apparently it's also known as vincristine, or that's what it's known as, and how it binds to tubulin and leads to the prevention of cell division. So first off, how is tubulin used for cell division? So tubulin is pretty much the protein that polymerizes into long chains or filaments that form these microtubules, which are used to and here we can see to pull apart this what do they call the sister chromatids. They're used to pull apart these sister chromatids, and that's how they aid in cell. That's how they aid in cell division. And from here, pretty much we get an idea. But here's a picture. You have those microtubules right there, and you can see it pulling those the chromatids apart. So that's how they're involved in cell division. So how does it actually inhibit, or how does it prevent this cell division? So vincristine pretty much acts like it's an inhibitor. So it binds to tubulin and inhibits the formation of these microtubules, which are used to pull the chromatids apart. So this basically causes causes mitosis to arrest at metaphase, and it is caused via the disruption of the mitotic spindle formation. And these are usually more common during the M and S phases. And another action that it interferes with is nucleic acid and protein synthesis, which they pretty much block glutamic acid utilization. And it's a quick video. That's all I got on the process of vincristine, and thank you.